Come here, Jordan.
What?
Come sit right next to me.
Uh-oh.
We're out of lotion.
Where'd you put it?
I don't know.
You guys, I'm looking upstairs in the bathroom, but I just can't find it. There isn't any in the kitchen. I always put lotion in the kitchen.
I don't know. Jordan and I were having...
What are we gonna do? Oh no. It was aloe too. Oh. You know, if this doesn't help the situation, it doesn't at all, but you killed my mom. Oh my God.
What'd you do that for?
I lost her mom. She's the one who gave me the lotion. When I took you, you killed her. Then she can't give me lotion. Now my skin will dry out. And it's just horrible. And where are my shoes?
Hey, guys.
Don't worry. Don't worry. These are the shoes. This is just what my feet
Hey,
look like. Don't
you guys be quiet real fast. Even though we're out of lotion, I'm your father.
Daddy, I need shoes.
But we need to find the lotion. We can figure out shoes later.
I don't have healthy skin, and I don't have shoes. Hey,
I was having so much fun in the bathroom. Until I lost the lotion.
You fell in the bathroom.
Is that me?
Yeah, but I'm still your father and I'm looking for some lotion.
Just rub it. Just rub it. It makes it all better, I promise.
Just rub it.